Hey, what's up everyone? So we had recently released a video on the T-Man 131 big board kit. And so if you get a chance, go watch that video. But what I want to do here is kind of explain to you, kind of give you a little bit of update and review. We'll start off with the T-Man. So here we have two different companies, right? We have a company we're not going to talk about, and we have the T-Man cylinder kit. So if you notice, their cylinders are nice and square with the case all the way around. Really nice. But in our other video, we had mentioned that the T-Man cylinder sleeve is longer compared to other companies, right? And the importance of this is when the piston starts going back up and starts coming down, the sleeve supports the piston from rocking as it's trying to go up. If the piston rocks as it's trying to go up, your piston rings are not square to your cylinder sleeve. And what that does, it goes and releases pressure into your crankcase. Once you get crankcase pressure, you start getting blow by and a bunch of other problems. But so what I'm going to do right now is rotate the motor and show you how the bottom of the piston is at the bottom of the cylinder right there. And as the piston starts going up, the piston is being supported by the cylinder sleeve. So the piston goes up and it stays square with the cylinder and keeping pressure where it's supposed to be. So if we go to this other side, this other company, the piston hangs below the cylinder sleeve, and as it's trying to go up, it's going to be rocking one way or the other, not being supported. See if I can see. You can see how the piston is actually rocking right there. You see it rocking as it wants to go up. So then your piston doesn't have any support from your cylinder, and your rings aren't supported, so you start losing cylinder pressure. You start losing cylinder pressure, you start losing horsepower and torque, get pressure into your bottom of your case, then you start getting a lot of blow by. So that's the reason why it's very important that you have a longer cylinder sleeve, just like the way T-Man does here, so your piston stays supported. Anyway, you guys, I hope this helps you guys out. We're no way talking bad about a certain company. I'm just reviewing the T-Man cylinder piston. If you have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call or contact the people over at T-Man Performance. They've always been great to me. They always help me out. Guys, thanks for watching. We have more cool videos coming soon.